Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum friends. May Allah Almighty bless you all of you where you are in the world and you are safe and secure. Ameen Summa Ameen. From the thumbnail you got an idea, and today video I am going to discuss what are the different categories on YouTube, because mostly people are confused regarding the topic of category. So before going to start the topic, let me discuss few points with you. The first point is whenever you are working on YouTube and you are making mixed sort of content, your category is not defined. So either at the end you will become a monetized YouTuber or not. So the answer is no. For monetization, you have to select one major category on your channel. The second question arises that when you are start uploading videos just regarding one category, so the question is either we can move towards some other category videos, also we can make some other category videos and on our channel. So the answer is yes, you can do some other categories videos as well. So there are 15 different categories on which you can make content. Each and every category is written on this page, and I will try my level best to elaborate with all of you in the form of different points. So before going to start the video, if you are new here, warm welcome to all of you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel with bell icon so you can get latest video notification first of all. So don't forget to like and share this video with your friends as well, so they can also get such kind of useful information regarding YouTube. So let's start the topic. The first category on which you can upload video is film and animation. Film and animation means all kind of long movies, short movies, some sort of movies in which there is some message. Some movies are regarding motivation, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes videos are considered in this category. All kind of animated movies as well. The second category is auto and vehicle, in which you can discuss the latest version of any kind of motorcycle, automobile, truck, trawler, anything that exists in the world. The new features which are available in the latest model, you can make the detailed review videos on the different sort of vehicles in which you are interested. The third category is music. When we use the word music, so the first thing that comes in our mind is it refers to someone who is singing a song. Yes, it's a music, but someone is using the musical instrument like piano, tabla, dholak, guitar, bansuri, anything like this. So these are all musical instrument, and this category is also includes in music. This is very interesting point for all of us being a Muslim. When we are reciting the Holy Quran as in tilawat purpose, or for example someone is reading a naat, so this category is also lie in music, because being a Muslim, our music is Holy Quran, our music is Nath Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So whenever you will upload video in which someone is doing a nath or reciting Holy Quran, So this category is in music. There is some sort of difference. For example, someone is teaching how to recite Holy Quran. So, and someone is teaching what are the different techniques of Naat, how we can perform well Naat or anything like this. So this includes in education because there is a difference. So remember this point. This is third one. Fourth one is, for example, there is the fourth point is not teaching or Holy Quran teaching. So this lie in education. Okay. The fifth one is, for example, someone is reading poetry. So this also lie in music category. But there is some sort of competition in which different participants are reading their share, or some professional poets are there in this gathering, in a particular gathering. So then this is not lie in music category, then this will lie in entertainment category. Okay. The next point 6 is pets and animals. Apart from YouTube, in real life, the people which are working on pets and animal in real life, they are earning a lot of revenue from it. So in pets and animals, you can do anything regarding related with them, like their feed, what are the different medicines which you can use for them, what are the different techniques which you can adopt for their better growth, anything like which is very beneficial, useful for pets and animals, you can discuss with your audience, and this category lie in pets and animal. The next category is point 7 is sports. Sports mean any kind of sports like football, cricket, hockey, volleyball, squash, anything. It includes the live coverage as well, live broadcast, and the review on some particular match, some particular event, and the review about different players of different games, different sports as well. The next one is travel and event. Event is in throughout the year, all over the world. There are different days which are very special for different events. You can cover in your video all these events, and you can also travel from place to place, from city to city, from country to country as well, and all these things covered in the category of event and travel and event. The practical example, all those friends, all those people which are uploading videos regarding tourism. So the tourism category is travel and event. The next category, point 9, is gaming. Gaming means you can perform, you can play live games in your videos, you can give the review of different games available, you can compare the previous version and the latest version. So all these things covered in the category of gaming. The next point is people and belong, in which the practical example is all those people which are uploading their vlogs. This is this category. It means at which time you wake up, then what you eat in your breakfast, then how you prepare yourself for office, and this is my office view, and now I am moving from my office to a particular market for some shopping, and now I am back, this thing I have brought, and that's the whole day activity. So if you are making videos like this, so this category is fall in people and blog. The next category is entertainment. Entertainment means by doing something which can make a smile on the audience. So there are different examples. For example, there is a competition about some drama, some tableau at some school, university, or college level. So you can cover this event, and this event is fall in the category of entertainment. The next is point 12, news and politics. From the name you can say news and politics. Here you can discuss the different political parties, about their leaderships, about their vision, about their manifesto, about their election campaign. You can also discuss the current affair, like nowadays there is inflation is going high, going to raise, increase day by day in all over the world. So all these topics, what are the causes of inflation and how we can overcome it. So all these topics are related to politics, so you can discuss with your audience, and these topics fall in the category of news and politics. The next point is point 13, how to and styles. This point is very important to understand for all females, because mostly females are doing the videos regarding fashion, designs, art and craft. So all these things lie in this category, how do and style. The next category is point 14 is education. Education means teaching. Teaching means you can teach about a particular subject, you can teach about the latest software, you can teach about anything that exists in the world. So this is teaching. For example, my channel is nowadays or regarding teaching YouTube, different points, different updates and all these things. The next is science and technology. So in science and technology, you can discuss the latest invention in technology. For example, a new mobile phone, what are the different features, what is the price, and same thing apply on the laptop or anything that comes new in the market in terms of science and technology. So these are the different 15 categories. Now a question arises, if you are a new YouTuber and you do not have any particular category, so how you can start your career? So you can start your career with 3 categories. The first, let me discuss one more point. In all over the world, what are the 3 different categories in which people are doing their work maximum? The first category is education, the second category is entertainment, and third category is how do and style. If you do not have any particular category to start your videos, to start your channel, so you can select any category from these 3. Okay, so that's all about in today's video. Hopefully now the category topic regarding YouTube is very clear to you. So that's all about in today's video. See you soon in some next video. Take very good care of yourself. See you soon in some next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.